This is essentially the front of the house. Everything but the beams are got the stucco finish on them on the front of the house. And this side, they finished this side yesterday. They haven't done the beam up there. That will be next. Or you might call it the front door, because eventually we hope to put an overhang on the roof, and that will be a carport for our driveway that comes down and around and into here, if we ever get that far. And the back of the house, which faces basically northwest, is here. As you see, they're set up to do the Palitada stucco on here. I've got my windows all formed in with concrete, which is a long process. You have to pour the sill first. Well, first you got to chip out all the concrete. That was the worst job, actually. Chipping off the block, we had to make it bigger so that we could pour concrete in there. They weren't high enough. That's why there's more off the top than the sides. We had to cut the block out of the old block out of the openings and make them a little bit wider so we could accommodate enough concrete for a post. And as you can see, we embedded the wire in that, which crosses over to the block, so hopefully that'll help prevent cracks coming away from the windows. And essentially all of them are like that, inside and out. Except for the first one, we didn't do such a thorough job. We did put some, but we only did it on the top and the bottom. So all of them are like that. And they're going to start up on the gable today. And here comes our main worker here. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Are you afraid of heights? Uh-oh. Good morning, P-Boy.
Yeah.
And today I think I'm going to wash this window and install it here.